Oh, okay.
Mommy wants, Daddy wants my China one. Oh, I have Miss Mara one.
There's 4 for a happy family.
How many?
Okay.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
You
7,
used
8.
up 4 on that one.
What's the other one?
What goes there?
I'm not all done this one.
This one's for Sharon.
4 more.
Oh, you used them all. Okay.
China one, Daddy one, Brother one, Daddy one. And that, somebody's one.
Okay, we have to do a special one for Sharon.
Also, this one. This one.
No, this one. See? What's the very best thing about a teacher or caregiver like you?
This one.
It says, gee, I can't pick one. There are 102 Dalmatians.
What's this thing?
Sharon, I love you,
Kim.
Raven
Jim.
and
Raven.
Sheldon.
Where's Jim? Where's Jim?
Sharon and Jim. Good point.
This point. Where's Jim?
Where's Jim?
Yeah.
He's on there. Sharon and Jim. Okay, now you draw. Draw a picture over here.
That was a big picture.
Big heart. Oh, very good. A happy face. This other color if you want.
No. She. Pumpkin. Made in a pumpkin. Love. I made a pumpkin.
That's great. How about a picture of Daddy? And Mummy?
A mushroom plantain. We have big arms.
Big arms.
A big neck.
And Raven? See your pigtails?
There's a rabbit over there.
Yeah, and baby Sheldon. Oh, arms for Raven. And baby Sheldon. Little arms and little legs. He's still little. Do you want to draw with this one?
Sure. Lincoln, please.
But they don't, this is for Sharon and Jim, and Sharon and Jim they don't know Marshall and Clay. They only know Raven and Sheldon. Do you want to draw Marshall and Clay?
I'm going to do the other little pumpkin.
Oh, a little pumpkin.
Okay. There was a little pumpkin. I made it.
Do you want to write your name?
No, I can't. Do you mind me?
I did it over here, Raven.
Do again.
Up here, Jim.
Look down here.
Down here? R A V E Raven. R-A-V-E-N. Raven.
Jim.
J-I-M. Look, raven, 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 raven. See, they all say raven. R-A-V-E-N.
What's this say?
Raven,
What's this say?
raven,
What's this
raven.
say?
Pickles.
Raven. Raven.
You're right.
Not pickles.
Pickle pie?
No.
Is my pickle pie?
Not you did that one yet. Okay.
You want to do it? You can draw on them.
What's that? What's that?
Tic-tac-toe.
What's this?
This doesn't say anything. It's just the tic-tac-toe sign. Do you want to put more stickers on them?
Can you put it over here?
Oh, we need stickers on Sharon's.
Right here.
Yeah, I put some stickers on it.
And then one here.
Yep.
Oh, one more here. Oh, one more here too. One more here. One more here. One more here. One more.
Oh, somebody's awake.
Is he right?
Who's gonna be hungry?
Okay.
No, no, my nose.
Okay, I won't do it again. There.
Put on one on my shirt.
Okay. Just one though. Put them here, sweetie. Put one on the puppy's bum.
Where?
Yeah, right on the bum. Yeah.
There's one on my shirt too.
Okay. How about in here? Put one there. Oh, on your nose.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Okay.
Bye-bye.
One here. You crying?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Okay, do you want to write Sharon's name on that?
I can't do it.
Can't do it.
Look at Daddy.
Wow, that's very cute. You've got
One
a
on your work.
flower on your nose. On my nose too? Oh, wow.
One on yours, Mommy.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh. Why, thank you.
Everybody have Lordy.
Say Happy Valentine's Day. Can you say it? Right then.
Wait,
Say Happy Valentine's Day.
wait, hey.
Okay.
Let's do it.